Greetings, my beautiful people. You know what I mean? Yard and abroad. You know what I mean? DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, we out of St. Thomas. Yeah, here at Castle AC. You see the pray? Well, right now, my people don't know me there. Bridging wife fly in and say she needs some of them things that we advertise with you on the vlog. You see me? Say she needs some Janga people. So right now, I'm gonna go and hunt some Janga. So here are my people. You see, before we even reach no further in another video, people, I want to just start click the like button right away, people. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man, just start like up the video for me, please and thanks, quick and fast. You see what I say? Yeah, man, that one here go nice. That one here go spicy, people. No worry about it. Yeah, man. So, people, do the right thing and just start like up the channel. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Brown Boss vlogs on at the back there and in family are forward, people. Yeah, man. So, you know that vibes are go already, people. Yeah, man. Outside. Yeah, man. Active. Yeah, man. So, you don't know, just keep do the right thing. As me out here do the right thing to people. Riverside settings. So, me have a bucket where me put in the thing them in and all of that. So, no worry about it. Yeah, man, that I'm a little basket where me I use and catch them. You see me? So, people, stay tuned for that one here. That one here go be a what? Banger! Yo! And I no banger phone, though. Yeah, man, I no chopping I go on over on that side. You see me? Yeah, people. Right now it come like a roadblock, people. Roadblock I go on here, so people. Road this, you know, people. Yeah, man, roadblock I go on here, so people. So, don't know, you have to go try squeeze through. Yeah, man, you have to go try squeeze through over that side of my people. You see me? Yeah, man. Brown Boss vlogs and them people, them come through nice and sweet, see me, car. Don't know the thing going on, man. Family settings. Dan little brother that are forward through. You see, pre. Yeah, man. So it's a normal vibes, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Father and daughter roll through there. Yeah, man. I done wifey said speed. So we out here, people. Yeah, man. Normal, pre. Yeah, man. So we active. Yeah, people. Brown Boss vlogs and him family are touch out. You see it? Yeah, man, normal people. DJ SWICKED vlogs there. Yeah, man, me I go up on a Janga hunt and them I go up on a swimming hunting. You know what thing go? Yeah, man. Hunting. You know the thing go, people. Who want coconut? Yeah, man. People property that do, you know. Yeah. Can't just show no, we can't look there. Chubby. Get locked up by the po-po. Me say people. Me say people. Me say it come like me miss one epic stage show last night, people. Me have to laugh. I swear me people. Yeah, man, St. Thomas Jerk Festival, people. Me say John was an event me miss. Yeah, man, but sometimes we have to miss something, you see me? But people, I tell you, I feel honor the bounty killer, man, honor general, the man that real general, the man they speak for the poor people. Them. Yeah, man, I have to big up the general, man. Yeah, man. Grown God. Man, defend St. Thomas people, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say one more people like them, man, that speak out for better Jamaica. Yeah, man, because I feel wonder. Like, nothing nice can go on a St. Thomas still daylight. No, sir. Like them broke one pen round on the side there, them broke something round on the side there, man. Eh? The nice St. Thomas Jerk Festival there. I lock off. No, sir. That should have come like, you know, one of them Sunfest they took. You know what I mean? Every parish we have the event where you know, say, stay in the parish where can't hurt or touch, but anyway, leave that. Vlogs me I deal with today, but you know we have to talk some of them sitting there, because from the ground God say something, you know. Don't know we have to intervene and say something too. But a river vlogs there today, no worry about it. Go on couple of the Janga them on the water. Father and daughter go through. Father and daughter pre that one.
Yeah, people.
You could have deal normal procedure. You! Brown Bass vlogs, you know. People. Yeah, man. Outside people. Yeah, man. River vlogs. See me? Yeah, man. Little rain go on with there with himself and something and wash out some of this something them out of the water. You see me? So you know the water kind of have a little cleaner look and thing, people. Yeah, man. But still have some tree then cut down in the water and them things. So, you know, that's a feel night. Because man, them a clean up and land and sitting so. You know? But today, people, sorry they name me case and take them out of the water. But I do and soon wash them and send them down so. I say go up on them aside the whole still, you know. Yeah, man, I like down at them places where as a man chops up my man take it out. You want it no works at them places, you know. But we active people. Yeah, man, we active. Like, for a reason we do no more while no people. Yeah, man, I just want to no keep do the right thing, people. Yeah, man, just keep like up the channel. Keep share up the channel, people. Yeah, man, just continue to tell a friend. If you tell a friend, circle over here. Because you see that one here now, people. See the basket here what I go use. And the basket here is when you start see the janga them a jump up in this. Yeah, you see if you even the thing for give me even 500 likes per one, yeah. You have to do this thing for give me one 2,000 likes, you see me? Yeah, my people. And if you know plan for make me get 5k views per one, yeah man, make me get on 10k cause people, me do one vlog already from morning and me I go try if you do a next one. Cause sometimes when I have the whole heap of days them away, can just run go do. So when you have one day when you can do 2 and 3, we try to do it and please, you know, cause people sometimes busy. And 2 of me even busy, me can't even get to do a vlog for you even see. Cause work I feel take on. Cause food I feel eat, you see me? So people, as me say, want you like it up. Make sure you give me at least people 2,000k views. 2,000k likes per one. Yeah. All make the mistake, me not chop it out. Natural. Because when I write down nothing for talk, you know. You see the pre. So, people, do the right thing. Yeah, man. You know, DJ SWICKED vlogs love you always, don't it? Yeah, man. I know you love me more, too, you know. Yeah, man. And that's why I'm going to keep on watching my video, them. So I'm going to keep liking them and all of that, commenting. So, people, yeah, man. As me say, if you know the plan for give me 500 likes, yeah, man, just make it reach on 2,000 or 1,000 for me. Don't worry about it. Yeah, man. Do the right thing over upon that side. Here, people. Yeah, man. Riverside we are here to know. I'm here again in the place. You know, man. And I said just continue go and do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, that one here go shot like a bingy. Want to start get to the epic part of the show, you know. So all of you tune in and all of those things. Yeah, man, I know me I them big and I love chatting up, but people sometimes you have to chat. Yes, I want to comment like that. Yes, but here I go on. People, right now I get to the epic part of the show. Yes, people. So right now, I want to go start catch some things. So don't worry about it, people. I start the movie right here, so. You see me? Yeah, man. Mad thing, my people. Outside. Start it. Feel like I want to get to the action, you know, my people. Don't know the ball game going on, my people. Them step in the action. Action time, this is a action time. Me I wonder if the Janga them was short long time. Bucket people, basket. First thing people, can't catch the water in a bucket, you see me? Yeah man. Wash out the bucket people. You don't know the ball game where you go already. Yeah man, so wash out the bucket my people. Yeah man. Get some nice fresh water in my people. Yeah man. Drop Janga in that now here. Yeah man, so stay tuned for that one the people. That are going nice. Yeah man, as you can see people, me there at the river. You know what I mean? People, today is come like, you know when you go on a work, try to get a work. Like when I go up on an interview, try to get an interview and it don't work out. Yeah man, but it's all about the rainfall a couple days ago. Normally the Janga them like down underneath the trash them and them stuff there, you see me? Yeah man, but obviously them are hide now because through the hard water with the dip on them with the and thing, you see me, push the trash and all of that people, so you don't know. Them kind of not dead, them are hide. Even when you feel in the rock, them not there in the rock. Like normal, you see me people, but me still I go upload the video cause yo, it's a thing named determination, you know, and sometimes you try and you fail, you see me, but that no mean say you have to give up, you see me, you have to push on. So the reason why I upload a video, I see me have to show you guys, say yo, really make an effort to the river. Yeah, I want to say 1 and 2, me miss 1 and 2 of them cause alright, now I show you this, you see them swift, you know. So you see when them in a bundle, you can catch a couple of them even with your hand one time. You see me? But when them a move like 1-1, yo, them hard to catch people. You see me? Yeah man, so that are the buzz. So all of when me really they go off for people, them they miss. Yeah man, is a no. So me they really know say my virgin wife need them, you see me, and in need of them. So even a video I can, when I go upload and I go make them really see say yo, me make an effort but it fail, you see me? But that no mean say me I go give up, you see me, cause me know by a couple days time, by a couple bamboo leaf dropping in the water and all of that people, yeah man, them soon start gather back a spot and you know, start getting enough up again. So me not worry myself, you see me? Yeah man, because me not create them, God create them. You see me, so sometimes God have to hide them for them go hatch up to and come out back. You see me, because if them feel out here and we are catch them straight, them out breed or run down, so God know what him do to, you see me. And we appreciate everything, we appreciate the love. And people, if you no loyal, see them way, regardless this fail, me know I go like it up and share it up. And me know I go leave a comment people, so continue do the right thing, continue show no love. You see me, continue give me no support, see me, you see me? Yeah, me people. And you know say me love you always, you know, no matter why no people. Yeah man. And all when this fail, me I brush off, try again. You see me, because it's all about a trying process people. Sometimes we fail, you see me, and we have to just brush off and go forward again. You see me? Yeah man. I'm proud if you can post this. For one can learn off of it same way. You see me, cause yo, nobody no perfect, brother. And it's not like, you see me, put on nothing in a God water, you see me? Yeah man, it's a thing where they will come and them will there in abundantly. But once the rain fall, yeah, there you go. Them can hide for a while. So you have to just work with them until, you see me? Till them start run again. So people, continue share up this, like it up. You see me, give me your support same way. Yeah people, I'm gonna take a chuck off.
Out there so deep, we are so shallow. Nice to be out here in J8. What a nice! I need to go get some of that nice water paper. I'm just excited every time I jump off now the water paper. Babes, when the rain fall, you know, so you know a whole heap of them something in our water paper. You see me? We have to get the water clean so we can swim. Remember guys, click the like button, the share button. Woo! People, leave a comment. Let me say for you, leave a comment. Alright, let me do now last talk off and then just close the video people. Let me say I do close the video. Yeah man, that one yeah, nice. Let me say holiday swim. Nice! 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 Now mala. Now mala. Now mala like. What a nice people. See two little chuck off and me get. Feel ready. East side, AC region, AC to the fullest. Hey, Hills Adventure. Yo, people want to go and check out Hills Adventure people. Good you out them, you know. Want to go over there. You know what I mean? Tell them say DJ SWICKED vlog send you over there. You know what I mean? Yeah man, do the right thing, you know people. Yeah man, give them youth their support from the people. Nice! Jamaica lifestyle people. Let me say, sweet. Me say you don't have to have money to live out there. To live merry and nice all the time. Me say, only for stress a bit but yo, just go to the river. Take a swim. Feel nice again. You remember about this stress there. So people we out. Confident and out here people. Yeah man, love you know. Boom, but you know you